what will help stand upside down. Did it help? Need water. Drink. Did it help? So, what to do now? Professor, we saw a ghost! Cool. And your hiccups are gone.